Hello everyone, welcome to Lilly Beauty Mantra. Best homemade conditioners for curly hair. Pamper your luscious lock with the nourishment of easy to make organic recipes. Anyone with curly hair can tell you that caring for it is similar to caring for a child. It requires continual nurturing and careful treatment. And if you don't give it what it wants, it will throw a tantrum by freezing up. Thankfully, there are many homemade conditioners for curly hair that you can try out. Women with curly hair have two major issues. It dries out quickly and tends to get frizzy. Both of these things happens because your curls impede the natural oil from your scalp from traveling down the length of your hair. As a result, your curly hair becomes dehydrated and desperate need of moisture. While strong bought conditioners nourish your hair, then slew of chemicals they contain many cause long-term damages. What are the alternatives? Of course, homemade conditioners. Organic conditioners have a variety of benefits for curly hair, which you will learn about in this video. Keep watching the video till end and make sure to give it a like, share and subscribe. Benefits of homemade conditioners for curly hair. They moisturize. First and foremost treatment your curly hair to a natural conditioner adds moisture to your hair and make it look healthy and happy. Prevent damage. When your hair is moisturized and nourished, it reduces the chances of developing split ends and become less prone to breakage. Increase elasticity. Dry and brittle hair is not very elastic and breaks at the slightest bending and tensions. Conditioning it makes it more elastic and strengthen it from within. Add shine. Using a natural conditioner on your curl hair helps smoothing the hair shift, which in turn makes it look shiny. Now that you know all the wonderful ways that a DIY natural conditions can benefit your hair, let's look at the best one you can try out. First, Greek yogurt and coconut milk. Deep conditioner. Greek yogurt is one of the super refreshing treats that makes for the perfect breakfast. But what it did not know was it can also be used to make a great DIY deep conditioner for curly hair. Not only do Greek yogurt and coconut milk intensively moisturize and repair damaged hair, they also help open up curls and give them definition. What you need is 1 tablespoon Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup coconut milk, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 2 tablespoons of honey, 4 drops of lavender essential oil. Next, what to do? Mix all the ingredients in the bowl. Divide your hair into 6 sections for easy application. Apply this conditioner to each section of your hair, making sure you have coated all your hair from the roots to the tips. Roll your hair up and put a shower cap. Leave the conditioner on for 45 minutes. Wash and shampoo your hair as normal. Second, egg and olive hair conditioner. You may be a little grossed out by the thought of applying raw egg on your curly hair. But here, see us out. Egg yolk makes a great natural conditioner for hair because it contains vitamin A and peptides that boost hair growth and thus increases your hair ability. To moisturize itself, olive oil also hydrates your hair. Both of these ingredients work together to eliminate frizz and make your curls look smooth. What do you need? 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. What to do? Whisk the egg and mix it with olive oil into it. Apply this mixture all over your dry hair. Put on a shower cap and blow dry it out low heat for 10 minutes. Wash and shampoo your hair with cool water. See the magic. Third, coconut milk and honey hair conditioner. If soft curl trees are what you desire, then this is exactly what you get with this DIY natural hair conditioner. While coconut milk restores damaged hair, honey softens and moisturizes it. Try out this natural conditioner to get shiny and smooth curls. What to do? 1 cup coconut milk, 4 tablespoons of honey. Now, beat the coconut milk and honey together until they are truly mixed. Now, after shampooing your hair, apply this mixture all over it as conditioner. Leave the conditioner on for 10 minutes. Wash off with cool water. Castor oil and egg conditioner is the fourth. Worried about hair fall and damaged hair? Then this natural conditioner is just for you. Castor oil is ridiculously famous for boosting hair and growth and adding volume to your hair. Egg, on the other hand, contains proteins and amino acids that preserve your hair natural oil and makes your curls look naturally bouncy and shiny. What do you need? 1 tablespoon of castor oil, 1 egg. Now, beat the castor oil and egg together in a bowl. Apply the mixture to dry hair and put on a shower cap. Leave it on for an hour. Wash off the shampoo with cool water. Next, lemon juice, olive oil and coconut milk hair conditioner. Say goodbye to dull and poofy curls with this cryptic base hair conditioner. We all know by now that olive oil and coconut milk are great for moisturizing, right? Hair and boosting hair health. But lemon juice is another great ingredient that you can use to combat humidity, reduce frizz and help tame your wild curls. What do you need? 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of coconut milk. What to do is mix the lemon juice, olive oil and coconut milk together in a bowl. Apply the mixture on the dry hair and leave it for 20 minutes. Wash off the shampoo with lukewarm water, avocado and baking soda. Shampoo plus conditioner. If you want healthy and bouncy curls hair, then you need to stop putting avocado on toast and start putting them on your hair. Avocado contains fatty amino acid that not only hydrates your hair and also helps it to retain moisturizer. Using it as a DIY natural shampoo cum conditioner for curly hair. Cleanse the dirt and buildup of your scalp while nourishing your curls. What do you need? You need 1 ripe avocado, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, water. What to do? Mash the avocado and mix the baking soda into it. Add 1 tablespoon of water to the mixture at a time until you end up with a smooth paste. Wet your hair and coat it with the paste from the root to tips. Now leave the hair passed in for 5 minutes, then wash off with cool water. Next, mayonnaise, yogurt, egg white hair conditioner. Now that's a gross combination that you probably can't even imagine putting on your hair. But trust me, when I say it works wonders, first up, mayonnaise is known for working miracle on curly hairs as it claims down frizz and add definition to your curls. While yogurt moisturizes your hair, egg white contains lutein that makes your curl on so shine. So try out this natural conditioner to see the best results for yourself. What to do? 1.5 cup of mayonnaise, 1/2 cup yogurt, 1 egg white, and what to do? Whisk mayonnaise, yogurt and egg white together. Apply this thick paste all over your hair from roots to tip. Put on a shower cap and leave it for 30 minutes. Wash off with a mild shampoo. That's it. Use any of these tips to see the differences. Use them once or twice every week to see the difference from previous to before. Any home remedy will not give you instant results. You need to try it twice or thrice a week to see the difference and the magic. Make sure you try any of these tips for a shiny, a beautiful hair. And the beauty, real beauty lies beneath you, not in the appearances or not at any cost. So, however you are, make sure you are beautiful. Love from my team. Thank you. See you again.